Hey everyone, Matthew here from the Home Pro Shop Bottles Cutters Club, and today we are making a bottle lamp. We got our wine bottle, of course, nice and clean. And for this one, you're actually going to need like a wire cable like this for a lamp. This one I got, it's to use for an outlet so you can plug it in. You will also need the lamp, like the socket for the lamp. And I'm gonna wire it. I probably won't show that on camera, I'll do that afterwards. And then the light bulb goes here, which I'll grab a light bulb. And for this one, we are going to put our L bracket this way, which it'll let us cut the base off the bottle. And let's do our measurement first. We don't want to cut too much off. So actually that looks great. And that's actually the limit. Like I can't go further back than that. And that's pretty good. So I'm gonna be cutting about this much here. And then we're gonna have this much for our lamp. And that'll look great. So let's just tighten this to make sure it doesn't move out of place. And then we are going to score the bottle like this. And as always, we want to rotate it towards us with a little bit of pressure. You don't need to press too hard. Maybe I guess you can say a medium amount. And you're gonna roll it towards you to make one revolution all the way around, one nice score. Always, before you start this, get some nice ice cold water in the freezer and your hot water boiling so it makes things faster and you're not waiting after you score the bottle. And here we go, I'm gonna rotate it now. And all the pressure is on your right hand. Your left hand just holds it in place as a guide. And my right hand's doing all the work to really rotate it. And that little click means I fell back in the notch for one rotation all the way around. And as you can see, it's one nice clean score on the bottom. Now I'm gonna grab my ice cold water and I'm gonna grab my boiling water and we're going to dip it. Here's our hot boiling water. Here's our nice ice cold water. And what we're going to do, we're going to dip this score into the ice water first. Make sure it just surrounds it and you leave it in there for a few seconds. You can count to 10, you can count to 5, you can count to 15, whatever you feel like counting to, that works. Or you can just dip it, rotate it, just get it in there nice and cold. Then you want to pull it out and you want to put it in your hot boiled water. And sometimes this doesn't work the first time around, so don't get discouraged, but it will work. So we'll do it again. We'll move over to the cold water. All in there. And now let's move to the hot water. And there it is, it popped off and look how clean that is. Nice and smooth and straight. Then you get your sandpaper and you want to sand it down here. Just like that, just to get all the sharp edges off. Nice and easy. I like to rotate it, it's actually easier on your hands versus rubbing it. That makes it a lot smoother. And then you can just fine tune it like this if you'd like to. Just like that. Beautiful. Now we're going to get our wire here and we're going to fish it through. Fish this wire through here, the top. This side. This. And on this wire right here, one side's ribbed, it has a little texture on the side, and the other side does not. It's very smooth, and that's how you can tell which side is which side's negative, which side's positive. You just follow instructions from there on how to wire it. So the rib side goes to the silver. Okay, so now I'm going to wire this together, and this is going to be silver side, the rib side silver. I'm not that experienced with wires and stuff, so if I can do this project, I believe you can too. And then the other side will go to this gold side, this gold screw. And I picked all this stuff up actually at Walmart in the hardware section. I think it was $3.50 for the wire, $3.50 for the socket, so about $8 total once you get a light bulb. And then of course you should have an empty wine bottle lying around. And if not, then you know, grab one. Enjoy the night, it'll be great. We all can use a little wine break. Let's put this in here. I guess we just have to make it tight enough so these cables will come out, right? Perfect. Let me get that light bulb. All right, I'm back, and I got two different light bulbs. I want to see which one would actually look better in here. So let's actually start off with the old school guy here. Just get him, screw him in here. Do I know how to screw in the light bulb? Probably no. There we go. All right, fish this back through. Might have to put that on. Let's fish it through, just like that. even hang like that, really cool. And let's plug this in. There you go. That look pretty cool, pretty gnarly. Let me turn off this light and see how that looks in the dark. Just like that. There you go, you have yourself a bottle lamp. Let's try the other light and let's see how that looks. Screw this guy in there. Turn that on. And that's how that looks. This one's a little too big, as you can tell it's sticking out too much, so we'll probably stick with the old school guy. But there you have it. Nice bottle lamp that you can hang. Just hangs there, looks beautiful. Put them outside, put them in a bar. Looks great. As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, for watching, for listening to me ramble on a little bit. Thank you. I definitely appreciate it. If you would like to purchase one of these nice bottle cutters, the link is in the description below. And you can follow us on our Facebook page, the Home Pro Shop Bottles Cutters Club. And you can follow more of our projects. If you like, drop a comment below. Drop a comment, let us know what you think about the project. If you have any ideas for projects, let us know and I'll definitely jump on it. And let us know how your projects are coming up. You decided to tackle this one, and like I said, I'm not an electrician or anything, and I was able to wire this bad boy easily myself. So to all your crafters out there, take care and bye.